I was ready to surrender my heart to you.
Morning everybody, it's day 3 at the Dirty Brown House. Now today what I'm going to do is just going to pick away some gaps. That's all got to be cut out and gapped again. I've done this one. You see that's all newly gapped. Been cut out, you can see it there. So that has to come out. That's what it looks like there. Pretty crappy, so it's got to be all picked out, get rid of all the loose stuff. Now the plasterer's here today, so he's just cutting out a couple of big dents. Now I don't know if we pointed out this thing. Try and run a line on it so you can see it. See how crappy that is? Well, that's on all this. That's what I've done. I've just done a base coat over the top of that. As you can see that there. I'll try and get that back. It's terrible. All these are the same. You've got Pete the plasterer cutting a big hole in the ceiling through, and see what else he's done. He's just cut a hole in just like that one there. Just put that in there. See, we'll base coat all that, tape it. Yeah, he'll sort it out. No problems, you won't see it. What I've had to do, as you can see, cut that out. This is it here. Now, people think, oh yeah, you can gap over that, but to be honest with you, don't do it. Pick it out. Pick it out. You see it all there. It's actually quite thick gaps. And I'm just using a blade to try to get that as best I can. Some of it's not too bad. You do have to make sure that it is straight. So we've got a spray inside these cupboards now, and we're using these super hide. So this is the final coat on these, and we've got the 213 low pressure tip. So that's what I'm going to use. That's only a brand new tip, and I did change the seal this time. We've got a lot of stains and stuff, but we'll see how it comes up, and then we'll fix them after.
should. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor. Turn that kitty butt into a lion's roar. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's slow this down, break the speed of sound. Tonight we own the road. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Red on the highway, blue lights flashing behind me. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Red on the highway, blue lights flashing behind me. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Burning bridges to the ground. So take away what's left of me. Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we crossed, which we crossed. Dropped off the scene outside, wishing to have one more fight left in me. The life I see, what's left in me. Burning bridges to the ground. Take away what's left of me. Burning bridges to the Blinded by the light ahead, thought about just what you said. Connecting lines is what you planned. After all, let's take a chance, turning dust into diamonds.
here is don't just pump it in. Stick your finger over the back of the nozzle like that. And we can actually have, doesn't matter whether you have it at an angle or not. We want a fairly big nozzle there. We stick our finger over the bottom of it like that. We start squirting. And then the finger sits on the tube of gaps. And it pushes finger over the tube like that. Remember, finger over the tube. Any of the excess is being pushed in by my finger.